I found a 12-volt RV air conditioner with heating. I really should say that this found me. A wonderful company by the name of GIDROX sent me this air conditioner with heating to review and do a simulated install. And I thought, since this is going to be a simulated install, that will really strip away everything so you can see exactly how this is done. And don't worry, there will be chapters in this video, so head down to the timeline or the description box of this video and you'll see all the chapters. I do suggest watching this video the entire way through first and then come back and refreshing on things that you need to know, or you just want to watch again. I mean, that's cool. The model we are looking at is the CLVE010HC-D12. This air conditioner unit can be a great idea if you have an RV that has a larger air conditioner on it and you want to convert to that 12-volt system, or if you're building an RV or you have a van or something you're converting that you want that air conditioner and heating to go into. With that being said, wiring becomes a breeze, because you can factor that in before and while you're installing and creating your RV experience. When it comes to wiring, it's very need specific, and both of them have the same destination, your battery. Remember, there are quite a few RV manufacturers out there with many different designs, and they're all gonna vary to some degree. But this video should be an excellent starting point for you. Okay, it's time for the fun part. We're going to open this massive carton from our friends at GIDROX and see what we have. You always want to lift the leaves up when you're cutting down the middle because you don't want to hit anything. Just a little pro tip for you there. We have some squeaky foam. Don't really see much of this stuff anymore. Holy smokes. Holy smokes, this is the entire box. Wow, this is nice. Oh my gosh, and it just feels so premium. Really nice here. And it came with this protective film on it, which is really nice too. Kind of keep the look intact. Now we're gonna take a look inside the accessory box. There appears to be quite a bit. All right, here we go. Documentation. You know, not throwing stones, but I've seen so many reviewers and installers just throw this over their shoulder. This is where you should start before you do anything else. You need to read through your documentation. That way you have some kind of idea what you're even looking at. Yeah, make sure you register your stuff. Here is the installation guide. Here is the owner's manual. This is what you will put with the rest of your owner's manuals. And a troubleshooting card. It even gives you the codes. These go with your important books. We have the flexible foam gasket with the adhesive side. Here is the main panel. These are so neat. Kind of reminds me of the later model Ford trucks. A remote control. It does, however, have a wall mount, so you can mount that on the wall, of course. Here is our mounting hardware with ties and foam pads, lots of washers. Here is the AC bracket. Geez, that's made real well. Foam blocks. And the beauty cover. I like it. You also get this fairly long power cable to run power to the air conditioner. And it's even protected. If you're purchasing a 12-volt air conditioner, there's a huge possibility that you don't even have an air conditioner already installed. When I installed this air conditioner unit, even though it's a simulation, I'm going to turn my air conditioner off. So it's gonna get kind of warm. Instead of just turning the AC off, we're just gonna kill the breaker. The current ambient temperature here is 92 degrees, and that's not the real feel. I don't even wanna look at what the real feel is. Feel me? And remember, your pets need climate control as well. There's gonna be quite a few times that you step out, head off to the store or whatever, and they're left in the RV. You wanna make sure that they're comfortable and safe. I recommend having a cutting blade. Have 2 wrenches because there's gonna be a step where you need to hold one side and tighten the other. This is an amazing screwdriver from Milwaukee, and electric tape. I built a model of a typical roof that you would find in an RV and other applications as well, and we're going to get this air conditioner installed. RV roofs are not built like a house. Manufacturers use as little material as possible to build these things. One's for cost cutting, of course, and the other one's for weight. Obviously, if you already have an air conditioner installed, you need to get that thing out of there. Take pictures. That's a good way to do this. Take a picture of the progress. Think of it like a real life screenshot. You have a hole into your RV and everything will go inside this hole. Water, leaves, bugs, rodents, whatever. So we need to make sure that we move quickly and we move with purpose. We're going to start off with our foam gasket, set that in place, and then set the air conditioner unit inside the hole against the gasket. You want the front of the air conditioner unit facing the direction of travel or pointing forward. In this instance, the fan would be the rear of the unit. Next, we will place some foam blocks. Hey, if you're watching this, chances are you might just be an RVer or someone who likes to travel. And if you like to travel and you need a good planning software suite, check out RV Life Pro. With RV Life Pro Trip Wizard, you can plan trips and know how much the trip will cost and how many miles are in your trip, and also help you find some other cool places to go. And if you're interested, scan the QR code on the screen or click the link in the description box of this video, and I might be able to save you some money off your first year. Depending on how thick your roof is, they provide 3 different sizes of mounting hardware. The order we go is washer, lock washer, nut. Using a 13 millimeter, we're going to tighten all of these down. We're going to talk about the wiring. There's a wiring diagram in the installation manual that shows you where to plug everything, but if you notice, it's really not that difficult because everything is keyed a certain way. Very clean, everything just snaps right in there. We're just gonna tie this up out of the way so it doesn't flop everywhere. Here's our power line to the unit on the roof. Let's grab our exterior power cable that we hid away earlier, and we're going to connect these two with bolts, and we're going to wrap it with electric tape. Now we just place the decorative panel, place the unit in, and it's finished. This whole install was done with no air conditioner. Actually, there weren't even any lights. I just threw the main breaker and here we are. It got up to 102 degrees in this RV. That's how important it is to have an air conditioner unit. Well, with that said, I'm gonna go turn my air conditioner on. Overall, I must say that I'm completely impressed with this unit. Absolute breeze to install. It doesn't really weigh that much. This air conditioner has a much better clearance than the bigger ACs. If you got any value out of this video, please smash that like and subscribe button. Comment down below, what do you think about RV climate control? What is the make and model that you use? Thank you so much for spending your time with me. This is Chris from Chris Travels. Hope to see you on the road.